Hey there, and welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating an account on Bitsy. Whether you're here to start your journey in the world of Bitsy or just curious about how it all works, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and get you set up in no time. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Bitsy's website at bsy.sh. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Create an Account button in the top right corner of the screen. Give it a click to get started. You'll be taken to the sign up page where you'll need to enter some basic information to create your account. Let's walk through each step. First, enter your full name. This is how we'll address you, so make sure it's an addressable name. Next, provide a valid email address. This will be used for account-related notifications and to verify your email later on. Now, create a strong password. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Make sure it's something you can remember. Re-enter your password in the Confirm Password field to make sure you've typed it correctly. Don't forget to read Bitsy's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. It's important to read these documents to understand your rights and responsibilities. Once you've filled everything out, click the Create Account button. Bitsy will send a verification email to the address you provided. Head over to your email inbox and look for an email from Bitsy. Open it and click on the verification link inside to confirm your email address. After verifying your email, return to the Bitsy website and log in using your new credentials. And that's it. You're all set to start exploring and creating on Bitsy. Thanks for watching our tutorial on creating a Bitsy account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides and tips. Happy creating with Bitsy, and see you next time.